So now we proceed to the next interpolator. Thank you very much. From the first district of a second district pala, no? Second district, the Honorable Luis Tro.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I remember part of my interpellation is on the SCADA and NARI. We've heard the explanation of the technical personnel of NGCP, and having heard that Attorney Melvin Matibag used to be connected with Transco, I believe he's an expert witness or resource person as well. I wish to request Attorney Matibag to please enlighten us what is SCADA, what is NARI, and kindly correlate their significance to each other.
Well, yung SCADA po, thank you po, no? Yung SCADA is the system. Yung po yung, that's generic, yung parang yun yung that is supervisory control and data gathering na ginagawa po nila. No? Yung NARI po, that is the brand of the equipment, hardware, software, na nilagay nung pumasok po ang NGCP. Before that, ang nandun po is GE tsaka ABB. Bago pa po lahat yan, bago lahat yung mga system na yan, nilagay nila yung NARI. Kaya nung pinag-uusapan natin yung problema ng China, kaya po lumalabas yan, kaya may suspecha tayo. Dahil, kagaya ng explanation ko po, ulitin ko po kanina, ang cellphone natin, to iPhone, this is the hardware. But this is run by a software, iOS. Kayo po ba naniniwala na yung nilalagay nyo dyan, hindi nakikita dun nung gumagawa? Knowing that ang NARI is proprietary. May source code po yan. Kanina sinabi, nasa kanila raw yung source code. Parang yung election po, since mag-election, COMELEC, may source code dyan. Nakikita ng COMELEC yan. Alam po yan ng COMELEC. Bakit nilagay yung NARI? Nung tiningnan po namin kung ano yung NARI, is a state-owned company of China na sila provider po ng mga equipment as intelligence equipment, military po. Kasama po doon sa mga military grade po. In fact, when we do the research, lumabas sa website nila noong December 2019, lumabas doon sa website nila na sinasabi pa nila na 100% they control the power grid of the Philippines. Nung in-erase po namin yung issue na yan, on the next hearing, wala na po yung website. Binura na yung nakalagay na yon. Pero meron po kami noon. In fact, we provided the Senate. I think meron din pong kopya rito dahil nagiring din dito.
Attorney Matibag, if I may interrupt,
Opo.
That publication, correct me if I'm wrong, is the same printout that we flashed during the last hearing.
That
Do
is
you confirm
correct po.
that?
That is correct. Sa website po, lifted from the website of NARI.
So you confirm that from the website of, is it not the State Grid China Corporation's publication and not NARI?
NARI publication po yun, and NARI is a state-owned company, the same as State Grid of China, a state-owned company of China.
I understand. So NARI is a subsidiary of State Grid China
They are
Corporation.
separate company po. If we are familiar with the ownership sa China, alam nyo, mga state-owned po yan, mga government-owned. Parehas po sila. And when you research doon sa website, noon nga, sa website ng NARI, lumalabas doon, they supply military intelligence, mga equipment na parehas ng ginagamit po sa atin. Ngayon, yung pong data gathering, tanong ko nga, anybody can answer po siguro, educate me. Kayo po ba naniniwala yung cellphone nyo, yung mga nakalagay dyan na data, mga pinapasok nyo dyan, hindi alam nung gumawa nito? Hindi ba pag nalock nga to, pwede ka nga mag-message, sasabi ka nga ron, mabubuksan mo.
For the enlightenment of the Filipino people who are watching us, Attorney Matibag, you mentioned about iOS.
Opo.
No? So let me borrow your term. Would you confirm if I would say that NARI is similar to being the iOS of SCADA?
Tama po, kasi yung hardware and software, parehas pong NARI. I think they can confirm that. Ayun, sinasabi nila, nasa kanila yung source code. Then I go back to go to the next level. Sabi nila may audit. Question, Meron po bang cyber audit na naganap? Nandun daw yung NICA. I know that eh. Kaya po sila pumayag dyan. They were ordered by the Senate at that time. Papasukin, nag-imbestiga. Pumasok. Ginawa nila yon. Hindi kasama Transco. At my time.
Attorney, I appreciate your generosity of information, but
Opo.
let's do this one at a
Okay
time
po. Sige po.
for us to be followed by the viewing Filipino people.
Sige
This
po.
is highly technical and even myself find it really difficult to absorb.
Opo.
Let's start with, what does SCADA stands for?
Is the supervisory control and data acquisition.
How about NARI? What
Yung
does
NARI
it
po
stand
is a
for?
brand. It's a brand.
Yeah,
Parang
but it is
iPhone.
an acronym. What does NARI stands for?
NARI. Wala po sa website.
Anyone
nila eh.
from NGCP? Because according to you,
yun.
this is an equipment which you are using in the operation of NGCP.
Nanjing Automation Research Institute.
Did you say Nanjing?
Opo.
Nanjing
Automation
Automation
Research
Research Institute.
Opo.
Okay. Following your statement that NARI is the iOS of SCADA,
Opo.
would it be correct to say that this system can be controlled remotely,
100%
similar
po.
to my Apple?
100% po,
Phone.
pwede. Because there was already, may nangyari na po eh, na may nasira noon. It was repaired remotely. From China, hindi po kailangan bumahin ng technician para pumunta rito at ayusin pa yung nasira.
All right.
Nangyari na po yan, 2 beses na.
And considering that NARI originated from Nanjing, would it be possible also that somebody from Nanjing will be operating our system SCADA here in the Philippines, remote? The one operating is in Nanjing, and the hardware is here, the SCADA at NGCP.
Very possible po with the technology now. 100% possible po yan. Kasi nangyayari nga po eh. I will cite an example if you will allow me, ma'am.
Yes,
Sa Ukraine, twice there was an attack, cyber attack sa power grid mismo. Napasok. Hindi po sila pumasok na may baril na pinasok pa yung control center and all. It was hacked 3 days before na power up ulit ng Ukraine. And to find out, intelligence services noon, they found out na that is prelude already doon sa nangyayari ngayon na gera.
Kanina, Attorney Matibag, you made mention about the nature of this NARI, the company,
Opo.
that it has something to do with the military of China. Can you
Opo.
please expound on this?
Yun po yung sinabi sa website nila. Kasi they also supply military hardware.
In other words, the business of NARI is the supply of highly sophisticated
Hardware
technology,
and software po.
hardware and
For
software,
communication and data gathering.
which can be used as well by the military.
If you will allow me again, ma'am,
Yes, please.
just recently, United Kingdom, they have 15% the equipment na NARI, they remove it
Why did they remove?
for reason of national security po. Example na lang po, hindi ba, ang Amerika, they ban TikTok. Bakit? Because sabi nila, they suspicion lang that is being used to gather data sa Amerika. Sayo nga po, nandun na mismo yung system, hardware and software. NARI, China. Nagpapatakbo, China. I may agree with Engineer Clark na sige, sa akin yung source code. Pero sino pang may aram ng source code? Tama po kayo nung sinabi nyo nung last hearing. The creature cannot rise above the creator. Tama po yun. Ako, I'm certain of this. Huwag na po tayong magtalo sinong mas Pilipino, tsaka sinong hindi Pilipino, sinong kampi sa China. Hindi. I'm stating kung ano po yung factual na nangyayari. And anybody can refute it. They may do so.
Mr. Chair, considering that the informations which are being shared to us by Attorney Matibag is indeed alarming, would it be possible for the committee to invite a representative from NARI, Nanjing Automation Research
Opo, Research Institute.
Institute? I believe this is a Chinese
Yes.
corporation.
Well, ma'am, if you will allow me, no?
Please.
This is really, ako po natatakot. Bubulong ako kay Chair mo na hindi na lang yung pera yung pinag-uusapan natin dito eh. We're talking about our sovereignty. Sovereignty yan natin. And our sovereignty has no price tag. Hindi na po tayo kailangang lusubin or anything eh. Kalikutin lang nila yung power grid natin. Just imagine, anyone who's listening now, and anyone who's saying na wala pupuntahan itong pinag-uusapan natin na to, isipin nyo lang, 1 linggo, 2 linggo, 1 buwan wala tayong kuryente. Madali po yung sinasabi nila eh. Sasabihin nila, I'm guaranteeing it, I'm guaranteeing it. Pag nangyari na po, asan tayo lahat? Asan tayo lahat? UK made the move.